hope you're all well. And today I've got a nice white chicken creamy karahi for you. A beautiful recipe. Stick around guys and I'm going to get straight into it. Okay guys, for this recipe I'm going to start with 1 cup of oil. Let that heat up a bit and then add some cumin seeds into it. Okay guys, once the oil is heated up I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Okay guys, once the cumin seeds are gone up, let them cook for a bit and then add the chicken. I'm using 1 medium chicken. Just cook it on a medium heat. Beautiful dish this guys. You've got to have a go at this one. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 6-7 minutes. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Okay guys, it's been about 4-5 minutes since I put the ginger garlic paste in. So I'm going to add the rest of the herbs and spices. I'm going to start with the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt or salt to taste. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, teaspoon of white pepper powder, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Turn that up a bit and give it a mix. Once I put the herbs and spices in, I'll give it a mix, turn it to low heat, and I'm going to add 1 cup of yogurt in it. And give it a mix and leave it on low heat. Beautiful. Lovely dish. Once you give it a good mix, then just turn the heat back up onto medium heat. And let it cook away now. Okay guys, I'll give it a mix and turn it up to medium heat. And I'm going to add in a half a cup of coriander, about 6-7 chilies, green chilies cut, and 2 bullet chilies with slits in. Put it all in. And we'll give it a mix. Give it a good mix and let it cook. Once you've added them in, cook it for about 3-4 minutes. And then add 1 cup of water in the same plate you add the yogurt in. Okay guys, I've turned it to low heat now and it'll cook in this water I've added. I'm going to leave it for a bit until it's virtually ready. I'm going to add some cream in the end. Okay guys, this has been cooking for about 10 minutes now and the water's virtually evaporated and the oils come to the top. The main thing is that the oils come to the top, so it's virtually ready. I'm going to put some cream into it now. Okay guys, I've turned it to low heat and I'm going to add 1 cup of double cream. And give it a good mix. Leave it on low heat and give it a mix. Once you give it a mix, then turn it up again. So I'm going to cook it for a bit more now. A few minutes on a medium heat. Now I'll put the cream in. Okay guys, this has been about 6-7 minutes since I put that cream in and I've been cooking it on a medium heat. So I'm going to turn this off now. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Let's give it a mix now with that freshly put in garam masala. Just a light mix. I'll take it out and I'll show you. Beautiful. A beautiful dish it is guys. I'm just going to add some sliced lemon, 2 pieces there. And add a bit of fresh ginger on it. Just to give it a bit of taste, but it's a beautiful dish. nice and creamy. I'm going to add a bit of coriander on top as well. MashaAllah guys, the chicken karahi, creamy karahi is ready. Beautiful dish it is. So simple to do, quick and easy. Not many herbs and spices in it, and it's not very spicy either. Although there's quite a few bullet chilies and that in it, but it's not spicy at all. Just a wonderful dish. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.